You need a light and you want to hang something up nice and pretty for your house, hall, wherever, storefront, business. Maybe this light is for you. You get instructions on how to assemble. Just needs a little bit to work on. And it's very simple indeed. So let's show you how to put this together and show you how to hang it. Everything's wrapped up nicely and neat. You may need to have a knife to cut through the plastic. You get your wiring, wire nuts, anchors, screws, lock washers, nuts, and so forth. You get the universal bracket with the ground. Some are different than others. You get thumb bolts on. You get the ground leads, and you get your holes, and it's a chrome-like finish. And this is screwed on. If it's a little loose, make it a little tighter. And let's get started. You have your one piece. You're going to have to start to put your wiring and your pieces together. Remove the lock star washer, the nut. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the two leads, you're going to slide it through the housing. You're going to take the washer that they give you in the package, place on. The star lock washer. It goes on one particular way, so make sure you get it on the correct way. Take the star washer, goes on one way, and the nut will go on one way as well. And what you're going to do is you're going to do your best to screw it on and lock it down. You're going to supply a crescent wrench, and what you're going to do is lock this down nice and tight. But before you do that, you want to take the other three and place them on correctly. What you're going to do is do your best to line up to a square the best you can. And then you're going to grab some E26 bolts and place on. So there you have it. Just about ready to hang. Grab all the leads. Take two of the whites and start to twist these two together. Take the next two whites, straighten out, and do the same. Twist them together. So now that you got all the whites and all the blacks separated, you take these two and you twist together. Don't leave any hairs. Make sure they're all in there. And then take a piece of tape, about 1 millimeter or 2 from the white, wrap it once. Then you're going to take the white lead, this is your neutral, and you're going to twist it righty tighty. You're going to twist it together. You're going to then take a wire nut and you're going to wire wrap it. You want to make sure it's on there nice and tight, and then you're going to take the remaining tape and you're going to start to overlap it onto the wire nut. This way nothing can get inside and poke like a loose wire. Do a nice neat job. You tuck this inside away from everything, and then you have your neutral. I'm going to show you how to hang. Make sure you shut your AC off. Put in your fixture brackets. You have your ground. You're going to loosen it. You're going to take your ground. You're going to wrap it clockwise. And you're going to tighten it. And this allows you to hang your unit hands-free. You're going to find your neutral and your neutral. For my demonstrations, this is what I do. You twist them together, you take your wire nut, and you lock it in. And take your thumb bolts. Lock them in. Misaligned anything, you're going to have to take things down and retighten up. These are the only bulbs I got, so I'm going to place them in for you. I hope this fixture may be right for you. It's an excellent fixture for a foyer, a bathroom, a hallway, you name it. Do not use anything higher than an E26 60 max light bulb per. I hope you enjoy your fixture and how to hang. Thank you very much and enjoy your product.